The biggest thing for a shop is to determine if the consolidators are active in their market right now. Is the time right? And so how does a shop find that out reliably? I mean, clearly they might be a part of an association and hear it through the grapevine, or they just have networks of friends who own other body shops and they hear from them. Or is there a more reliable method of knowing truly if your market is hot right now and there's a lot of consolidators who want to expand in that market?
Yeah, good question. It's really hard for an independent shop owner to try to navigate it and figure it out on their own. I spend hours and hours and hours talking to these consolidators all the time, every day. I go to SEMA every year in the MSO symposium and, you know, get a good handle on what growth strategy is for the subsequent year and markets and things like that. So, I mean, all this information's floating around in my brain because this is what I do every day. It's no different than a shop that is Tesla certified and they've put a bazillion unicides, on a Model 3. They can do it in their sleep. It's the same thing. It's what I do, it's what I know, and trying to figure it out and navigate it on your own is challenging. So I would say, you could certainly give me a call. There's other people out there that do what I do. So it's not an infomercial. This is more a educational podcast that we're just trying to help shop owners not get the short end of the stick. When they get to a position that they're thinking about selling, I just want everybody to be educated. And if somebody decides to call and they need guidance, we're here.